Welcome back to Flowing Mobility Tai Chi. I hope you've been practicing your Tai Chi walk. You can practice your Tai Chi walk anywhere, that's the beauty of it. Around your house, out on a stroll. People might look at you, but at least you're practicing your Tai Chi. So let's build on that, and we're going to learn the first form of the Yang style Tai Chi. Some of you may have heard of it before. It's called Parting Wild Horse's Mane. I choose different names because it's a little easier to learn them. So I call it Serve the Hors d'oeuvre, and I think you'll understand why. So first, I just want you to watch me do the form, and then I will take you through a step-by-step process of learning this form. So serving the hors d'oeuvre. I hope you can see that it built on our Tai Chi walk, and now we're going to just add the hands to it. So to start, I want you to face your left corner, which would be your 1030. And hold a large ball, your left hand on top and your right hand on the bottom. Now as you sit down on your left leg, then swing that that leg out to 12 o'clock, just like you would your Tai Chi walk. And then as you weight shift, you squeeze the ball and serve the hors d'oeuvre. Let's try that again. Holding a large ball, your bottom hand is holding the plate that has all your hors d'oeuvres on it. As you turn and weight shift forward, you offer the plate of hors d'oeuvres. Your top hand simply goes down the elevator. It just sinks down. It doesn't do anything fancy, just sinks down. All right, so here we are. You turn, step, and as you weight shift, top hand sinks down, bottom hand serves the plate of hors d'oeuvres. That bottom hand serves the hors d'oeuvre and becomes the top hand. It's on top. Whereas what was on top is now on the bottom. Now the application of this is actually the bottom hand is striking. So this is a strike right here against the body. And this is a block to keep anybody from kicking or striking you at the bottom. Make sure this arm is not in some awkward place. It's blocking, so it needs to be out in front and serving its purpose. So let's try this again. You're facing your 1030. Your weight is on your left leg, and your left hand is on top, right hand on the bottom. Sitting down on your left leg, turn your dantian, step to 12 o'clock, serve the hors d'oeuvre with your right hand, block with the left. Couple more times. This is an empty stance here. Make sure you have no weight on it. And turn, serve the hors d'oeuvre. Okay, let's try this from a side view. Your weight is on your left hand on top, right hand on the bottom. Sit down on your weight-bearing leg, turn the dantian, serve the hors d'oeuvre, block. Now, typical errors with this are I get people who lean forward, losing their vertical buttons. Their heel comes up in the back, even more so losing vertical buttons and all the energy going in the wrong direction. Another thing I get is elbows all locked out, and I get this hand way back too far. Make sure that your elbow is in front of your side buttons or your side seam. When you finished, elbow soft, body upright, not leaning. Heel down. Well, let's try that again. Left hand is on top, weight's on the left, right hand is holding the plate, and turn, step, and serve the hors d'oeuvre. One more time. Now, go ahead and practice that a few more times. Maybe run the video back and do it where you start to feel comfortable with it. And in our next lesson, we'll learn it to the other side. And thank you for joining me at Flowing Mobility Tai Chi.